Okay friends, I hope you were able to watch that letter B video. So we are going to talk about some insects, and some of them do start with the letter B, and it's called It's a Good Thing There Are Insects. So it's a story all about different types of insects and that it's great that we have them. So our question this week is going to be, why are insects important to our world? So this is our title, and then our author and illustrator says by Alan Fowler. So he wrote the story, but these are actually photographs that were taken with a camera, and so he took these photographs also. All right, so let's see, why is it a good thing there are insects? Sometimes we call them bugs, but their real name is insects. All insects have 6 legs, like a grasshopper. Most insects, like flies, have wings. Some insects live in trees, like cicadas, and some live in water, like water beetles. Some insects, including most ants, make their home in the ground. They have their own little town, where each ant does its own kind of work. So they're each very important. A caterpillar forms a shell called a chrysalis around itself. We're going to learn more about that later this week. In the chrysalis, the caterpillar changes into a butterfly. This home for bees is called a hive. Some insects are harmful to people. That means they can hurt you. Mosquitoes can bite you. Wasps can sting you. Oh no, they're kind of like a type of, they kind of look like a type of bee. Locusts can eat a farmer's crops. But insects are helpful to us in many ways. We get silk from the cocoon of a silkworm, so it makes silk. We get honey from bees. That's important for eating and cooking. As bees fly from flower to flower, they can carry pollen to help the flowers grow. So insects can help flowers grow also. Some insects are pretty, like this monarch butterfly, so they give us something nice to look at. Insects serve as food too. Many animals and birds and fish and reptiles live by eating insects. So they help others with their food. But they leave the walking stick alone. They think it's a twig. Doesn't that look like a stick? It's actually an insect. Some insects glow in the dark, like a firefly or a lightning bug. Some insects make sounds, like a cricket. So the next time you see a beetle or a ladybug, remember, it's a good thing there are insects. The end. So, we're going to be learning about a couple of these different types of insects this week. We're not going to be able to learn about all of them because we just don't have enough time, but there's some that are very important to us and have very interesting life cycles that we're going to learn about. So how they grow throughout their life, okay? So I want you to watch the next video, and it's about insects and what makes an insect. Okay, go ahead and watch it.